In this video, I'm going to show you some of the how-tos on your Schoology homeroom course. So this is the course that your parents and students will see. So when they open it up, they will automatically be in materials. So this is where all of your assignments will be. Under your Bitmoji classroom and your buttons will be the folders that have their assignments. So ours are similarly labeled. So your first one should be daily calendar. That's what they'll open every day. Since we want that at the top, if yours is not there, you'll click the white and then you could move it. I have a couple extra. Then below that is where your daily and weekly assignments will be. So once they see this folder, they can open it up and it will show them each day with each assignment. So when they click the day, then all of the assignments will be there. We're going to go back to materials and I'll show you just a little bit about how we can add them. So if you want to add a folder, it's the first one, and then that is where you put in different assignments so it won't just be empty. If you want to add an assignment, this is where if you want the student to type a small response, you can have them record. You'll create that there. So you'll have a name, you'll write a description. If you wanted to add a YouTube video, you do that here. So you'll click that and then you could search the name of it, or you can go and copy and paste it from a different tab. If you want to have a Google assignment, so like my Google Slides that I showed you, you'll click this. And then all of your Google files are coming up. So I will show you, I'm not sure what this is, but we'll see what it looks like. We're going to do import embedded. And when we do it this way, then when the students click this assignment, they can edit it in the screen. So they don't have to open a tab or anything. It's just right there and you get a copy of their work. So when you make an assignment, you have to have a due date. Your category is just ungraded. And then this, you can choose whichever grading period or no grading period. And then you just create. The next one you might use add test or quiz. You can do an assessment. You can just add a file, so that's how we do some of our YouTube videos. If we don't really have an assignment to follow, you can just link it here. You can do a discussion, so that is where students can see each other's response. So you type a title of the assignment, you ask a question, click a due date, and then the students' end will show different responses from each other. And a page, it's kind of just not an assignment really. They can't really respond to it. It's just if you needed to upload something like that. A media album is where students can see each other's pictures or videos that they submit. And then we probably will not be using add package. You can also just straight import from resources if we wanted to. So with this, we're going to go down to apps, and it's a different way to do Google Drive assignments or YouTube videos. The next thing I want to show you is updates. So updates and materials are different. Even though this Bitmoji Classroom and your buttons shows up on updates and materials, your assignments are not going to show up just on updates. So do not mess with your Bitmoji Classroom, so don't click the gear on that or anything because we want to make sure it stays here. Don't click this, just leave that alone. But if you just wanted to say, hi, I hope you had a great day in kindergarten, just so that the parents, if you wanted to tell them what happened that day, if you have an announcement for the next day, you can do that here. It's kind of like a Facebook feed, so you're just posting an update. You can also insert links and things here and record yourself if you wanted students to just hear you say it, so it's not so parent driven. You can do it like that. What we want to avoid is right here. We do not want to click this bell because if we click that bell, then it's going to replace our Bitmoji and our buttons. So leave that alone and just click the blue post, and it will happen right below.